Life, I was a lonely man with my leg boots near to the floor, dancing a mess that I can. Sweets took the pain away. I saw a cold at the end of the line, and so I started to pray. I could describe, I knew no one would answer me. I had some dreams where they grew towards the sun. I had some clouds and they rained down bad luck on me. Oh my God, oh why has that forsaken me? I had some teachers who taught me rules to obey. I had some sages and prophets through time. Came up with nothing but a hole in my faith that they no reason, no right. Nothing feels like tonight. Crime, it was a price to pay. I found the whole world as guilty as I. It took the danger away. Hate, it was so easy to do. You just directed all your anger and fear, and then you follow it through. I went to churches and schools to decipher me. I went to prophets to plead for my life. Went to my parents who gave this birthright to me. Oh my God, oh why has that forsaken me? I don't need to, I don't want to, I don't wanna wonder why. If you don't wanna hear my problems with you, can fuck off and die. You do not know, don't say you know. Give me some answers for my life now, 'cause I'm explaining it to. I've got to come up with solutions in time before my future is through. Hope, the man who promised a day. Still I got the same feeling that time is slowly slipping away. Slipping away. Life, I was a lonely man with my leg boots nailed to the floor, dancing the best that I can.
Uma galera botando vídeo, né?
Sweets took the pain away.
Dá um alô aí, dá um alô aí! Ah, isso aí! Cadê de novo? Vai, vou ver o vídeo.